If you rely on your Dell printer, you know how frustrating it is when it suddenly stops working because the waste toner collector is full. This replacement part, measuring 118 centimeters by 22.021 cm by 25. 628 centimeters and weighing 21 pounds, is designed to keep your printer running smoothly without interruption. Sourced from China, this waste toner collector delivers reliable results every time. Users in the United States have praised its performance, especially appreciating how quickly it arrives through Amazon compared to Dell Direct. When your printer signals the waste toner is full, don't wait, replacing it promptly avoids downtime. One customer shared their experience. After their printer completely stopped working, they discovered the waste toner was full. Although Dell Direct had it on backorder for over a month, they found the same product on Amazon at a better price with fast shipping. This saved them from being without a printer for weeks. Installing the waste toner collector is straightforward. Clear instructions guide you through removing the old container and snapping in the new one. It only takes a couple of minutes, so you're back to printing without hassle. This ease of use reflects Dell's commitment to precise engineering and user-friendly design. The waste toner collector not only fits perfectly but also lasts a long time, ensuring your printer stays in service without frequent replacements. It's a smart investment if you want to maintain consistent print quality and avoid unexpected interruptions. If you've ever faced a sudden halt in printing because of a full waste toner, this replacement part is worth considering. It combines dependable performance, easy installation, and quick availability, key factors that matter when your workflow depends on your printer. Try this Dell waste toner collector when you're ready to restore your printer's function without delay. It's a simple fix that keeps your office or home setup running efficiently and smoothly. Don't let a full waste toner stop your productivity. With this reliable replacement, you get peace of mind and uninterrupted printing. Worth a look if you want hassle-free maintenance for your Dell printer.